So this is a wonderful product from Oriflame. This is called the Saga scarf. So this scarf has got exclusive print from the Sweden forest. It's inspired from the twilight plant. It has got beautiful pastel colors and a maroon color in the background. This is soft and fluffy to protect you from the cold, and again it's like a, you can just fling it and create a different styles with the scarf, like a neckband with the formal wears, and also wear it to protect you from the cold. It's a fantastic product. It's very elegant and very chic. And coming to this, this is an UVA and UVB protected coolers. This is a contemporary sunglass. This has got a, the frame has got a marble effect which is eye catchy, and it goes with almost all the face shapes. This is a great tinted glass, and this comes in a beautiful pouch with a cleaning cloth, and this is at a fantastic 70% offer, guys. So don't miss this one. Next, coming to this accessory. So the exotic tassel necklace, if you check in the Supremacy Network group, I have done a video on how this necklace looks. This looks very elegant with a sari as well as with a formal wear and ethnic wear. You can twist and wear the chain as much as you want. And these are lovely color changing pendant with the color changing earrings. So you could change the colors in the drops as you want. We have the Magnista necklace here, the key one. I had done a review of it yesterday. It looks beautiful. And the Hong Kong earrings are long. You can wear it two ways, and you can also accessorize the Hong Kong earrings in different ways. This is at another fantastic offer. And this next is the perfume range. So people who love the jasmine fragrance, this perfume is classic top note with jasmine, and it keeps you like as if you are sitting in between a jasmine, garden. So nice and so sensual. And cherry blossom is for person who wants a mild fruity flavor. Born to Fly has got the lavender flavor and astonishing a classy office wear collection. So again, Born to Fly for men is another classy collection. Eclat is must have at this rate, guys. Like 3,000 rupees perfume for just 999, and it's fantastic for men. Your guys would love you for gifting it, guys. So our ever trending bronzing pearls, all the three colors at 900 rupees off, guys. So this one gives you a natural radiance. This you could contour with this one and also give you a blush kind of effect. Also you can use this as a the transition eye shade too. And this is the natural peach. If you want this orangish glow, you could go for this one. And this is the illuminating pearls. I had shown in one of my video demo where I used this for highlighted. You should have all the three, and you could create a lot of beautiful looks with this bronzing pearls. And this is made out of the volcanic clay, and these are handcrafted pearls, guys. This is a must have in every woman's wardrobe. So next in the offer we have the concealer. So concealer is basically used to conceal the dark areas, your under eyes, your mustache region, your corners of the mouth. If you have any scars, you can use the concealer to conceal it. Concealer plays a very important role in your makeup. So we have 3 shades of concealer at a throwaway price of 299. Fairlight is for person who is like very fair. The Kashmiri fairness. Nude pink is for the white to the wheatish tone, and nude beige is for people who are melanin rich and wheatish tone, guys. So this is our color correction palette. So this is like a square palette, a rectangular palette which has 4 color correctors. The purple one, when you have small pimples that are yellowish in shade, you have pimples that colors are there, so you could use a purple color to cover up the pimple. The orange, generally you use it to soften the blackened areas. If you don't want your facial hair to be visible, you use the orange. And the yellow one, if you get a wound or something, you can use the yellow color to hide it. Green is to reduce the spots in the face, that sudden sensitivity. This is again a must have in everybody's makeup kit, guys. So this is again at a throwaway price of 339. Don't miss it. My all-time favorite, the Illuminator cream. Guys, if you have this, you can just do your skincare and apply this cream. This gives you a dewy glow on your face, guys. And you can mix it with your foundation to create that glass skin look. I have done a demo of that also. So this is again one of the must-haves for the season, guys. And this is the color correcting fixing powder. It's like a press powder. You can also use it as a loose powder. Then the mascaras, coming to the mascara. So this one, the 5-in-1 Wonderlash Mascara Double XL, it gives you a good volume, guys, and this is a patented product from Oriflame. You know, every minute there is 600 mascara sold from Oriflame, guys. This mascara shows, you know, it shows as if you have attached an extra lash, guys. Okay, so this is the black is called the No Compromise Mascara. When you apply this, the mascara just wraps around your lash. It shows thick and voluminous. This is the one ultimate kajal pencil where you could use to line it as an eyeliner, as well as to draw your upper eyelids and lower eyelids and the lash line. This is smudge proof and this is long lasting at just $199. And this is Brow Kara. Okay, people generally have thin brows. You can use this Brow Kara, which is of the deep brown shade, the Indian tone, to highlight and show your eyebrows. It gives you a fuller looking eyebrow, guys. The Brow Kara is especially for the eyebrow. If you have very thin or very light eyebrows, buy the Brow Kara and just brush it. This comes with vitamin E, which will enrich your eyebrow growth, guys. Don't miss the Brow Kara. Next is the nail polish range. So the one Glassware. What is the speciality of this color nail polish is over here, right? The Mystic Aqua Blue, Decadence and all this. All these nail polish are scratch resistant. So you can happily wear this nail polish, wash your vessels, wash clothes and everything. Nothing will happen. The colors will stay more than 10 days. So we have the glitter one, the one glitter coat and the long wear nail polish below. So these are two exotic colors, the silver. The glitter comes with sparkle, so you could apply any one of the color on top and use this one to have an to create a nail art. And this is the nail polish remover. Generally when you use a normal nail polish remover that is sold out at a very lesser price in the market, like 10 rupees, 20 rupees you get it, what happens is it leaves a yellow stain. So this instant nail polish remover comes with enriched with biotin, which strengthens your nail. Okay, next, these four products are fantastic products. The first product is the 5-in-1 nail serum. When you have yellow stains in your nail chips away easily, or your nail growth is very slow, I recommend you to use this 5-in-1 nail serum, which enriches the nail growth. It gives you a French polished nail kind of look, a stronger and sturdy nails. The top and base coat, how you have to use it: before applying your nail polish, apply the top and base coat once, then apply your nail polish, let it dry, then apply on top the top and base coat. So this keeps your nail polish shine lasting longer. The quick dry top coat is like you apply your nail polish and apply it on top. It quickly dries up and makes your nail polish last longer. The peel off base, how you have to apply is, first thing, you have to apply the peel off base, let it dry and apply your nail polishes. So if you don't like the color, you want to change the color, you don't need a nail polish remover, you can just peel off. Like how you peel off your mask, you can use this nail polish. Sorry. The next one is the lip liner. So for you to have your lipstick standing longer and to make your lips look fuller, you need to fill it with the lip liner first. So our two color of lip liners at fantastic offer here. One is smoke red and coral red. You can mix it with the red. You can mix it with the burgundy shades of lipsticks. And the one BB cream. This BB cream has got SPF 30. So this, what it does, this BB cream is like an everyday cream. It illuminates, it gives a mild glow, it corrects the pores, it hides the pores, it gives you a hydration and moisturization to your skin, and it's like a perfect, it's just like you've painted the skin, perfect for an everyday makeup use or everyday general use too. Next is this heel cushion. People wearing heels, stilettos, you could use this. You get those shoe bites, right? This is supposed to be folded and kept in the corner of the shoes, and in the front of the shoes you could use this. This gives you an instant relief from the aching pain, guys. And this is at an offer of 99 rupees. And the deep exfoliation cream, this moisturizes your leg. This has got shea butter and it keeps your legs smooth. Okay, you have to just apply this scrub. You could do a fantastic like pedicure at home with this Feet Up Advanced Foot Scrub, guys. You can use it like 2 to 3 times in a week for a smoother looking legs, like young legs. Okay, next coming to a hair care range. So these are the hair care tools. The first brush over here is for curling big. After washing your hair, you could just blow dry and curl it with this brush. The small pink one, it's the detangling brush. When you have lot of tangles, you could use this. So this is a 3D color. You don't have to keep using all those curling tools. You could just curl your hair with this color. It's beautiful. I have it and I love it. Next is the teasing comb. You don't have to have one brush for puffing your hair and keep one for smoothing. This is a 2-in-1 brush, which is fantastic. The last brush is smaller. For a smaller defined curls, you can use this brush. So this is our brush range, and next is our hair care range. So this is lemon and nettle shampoo. People with the oily hair, you can use this lime and nettle shampoo. This gives you a free, like a fresh scalp feeling. People with very dry frizz, what do you call it? People with dry hair, curly hair kind of people, you could use this wheat and coconut oil. This keeps your hair and the scalp hydrated and gives you a fresher feeling. And people looking for a frizz free, my hair is always frizzy, my mane is very frizzy, I want to control it, I want a smooth, like as if I've done straightening. So you could use this frizz free smoothing conditioner, which is classic. This is coming with an keratin, which keeps your it keeps your hair like a runaway, fly free, like as the models. You can have such smooth hair. So the CC cream comes with 22 benefits, guys. This protects your hair from humidity. This contains phytonutrients. Okay, this helps to condition and repair the damages in your hair. It protects your hair from the heat damages. It smoothens your hair. It gives your hair that volume. So this is one of the fantastic product which is a must have for this summer. And a body care range. So we've got this fantastic body lotions, just $2.99. We have the this summer special coconut and melon flavored. We have the kids favorite strawberry and mint, raspberry and mint, I'm sorry. Almond nourishing oil is people with sensitive skin go for the almond nourishing oil, and the one is for people who are into party type fragrance. You can go for this body cream. And if you're somebody who is looking at a classic, I want smooth, silkier skin, I would ask you to go for the Essence & Co range. My personal favorite is, elderflower and bergamot, which is nothing but the vetiver combination, which is perfect for summer. For winters, I always prefer the Mongolia and fig. If you have your skin is really tanned in this summer, you want to have a brighter looking skin, I would suggest you to go for the lemon and verbena at a fantastic offer. This bottle will come at least for like 2 to 3 months if your family of 4 uses too. So next in offer we have is the North for Men. Fantastic shaving foam, guys. So this foam gives a clear shave, and this aftershave cologne. It's a cooling balm with soothes. So for the men's range at a fantastic price we have. Then coming to the masks. So we have this konjac sponge, the hard konjac sponge. So what this does is, when this is smaller in the size, when you put it in the water, it fluffs up. Okay, you have to soak it in the warm water until it becomes soft. Then cleanse in your face and eye area. Use it with a cleanser. Okay, it smoothens your skin and gives you such a soft skin. This goes and exfoliates very deeply. It removes all your dead skin cells. It's a fantastic product at $2.49, guys. And if you love masking like me, this clay mask kit is very ideal for you. This comes with a small zipper pouch, a transparent one with this green spatula and this cloth. You can also put 1 or 2 masks in this pack and carry it when you travel. Okay. So the spatula, the other spatula, this spatula is again coming at 149. This white spatula, you could have it to apply your other mask. We have this natural peel off mask, lychee flavor, which gives your skin a radiance, a shining effect. You are going for a quick wedding or a quick housewarming, you don't have time to go for parlor, just use this one small handy pack, apply it on your face, leave it for 10 minutes and remove. Your face is all shining, guys. And if you are like, you want a purifying mask, you have small pimples or acne, I suggest you to go for this clay mask with fruitifying apple. This gives you a clear, refreshing feel, guys. So the next product here, my personal favorite, is the Novate sheet mask, guys. So this contains hyaluronic acid. This has got vitamin C and E, which helps you to revital your skin, especially anti-aging benefits. This has got ninmicide. Okay, the most trending market products, NaC3 for the skincare, the ninmicide in this plumps your face. It's like a naturally injecting Botox into your face. It's a beautiful cloth mask and worth at the price, guys. And yeah, sorry. So next we have this papaya facial cleanser and papaya cream, multi-benefit cream. Again, this is a perfect for the summer, guys. You could introduce the teen kids with this cleanser and the cream. People with dry skin can go for this coconut. People with the normal skin types or regular skin types, oily and all, I would suggest you to go for papaya, which gives you a glow. For dry skin type, the coconut scrub and the coconut cream, no, it gives you a nourishing feeling. So the cleansing gel, this comes with the aloe vera. For people looking at the aloe vera, this is a light foam cleansing gel. It removes the trace of makeup and keeps it fresh. This is a great moisturizer, basically made from pure aloe vera. So the contact sponge and other things we have seen. My personal favorite soap, guys. This is a beautiful gift soap, guys. You could just get this, get